Good morning. It's freezing outside. I thought moving to California, like coastal Southern California, meant it was gonna be warm all the time, but like it's cold, honestly, like 50% of the time. I don't know if I'm just a baby, but it feels like it. I am going to yoga right now. It's been so long. Oop, camera is sliding. It's been so long since I've been to like a yoga class, and I think it's just because like I always choose to go to a workout class over yoga, but like yoga genuinely makes my body feel just as good, and if you push yourself in yoga it can feel like a really hardcore workout. And I also just like need something to ease my mind today, because like yesterday was kind of a rough day, and I just like I want to have a good start to today. I don't really even have anything like specifically planned today, just a bunch of like random little things that I'm gonna do. Throwing over my jorts and probably like a little t-shirt because the weather is so unpredictable here, and it's either like I'm freezing or I'm overheated. We're going to the beach right now, but I stopped for a coffee. This is my first time trying Whole Foods Cafe coffee. Had Whole Foods Cafe and it's really good. This is the honey vanilla with oat milk. It's not very cold. I think that would be good if there was more ice in it. Right? It's like lukewarm.
They were like half paying attention in there.
Yeah.
Like,
honestly, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. I've heard they're like really good, but this just isn't really doing it for me. I actually think that just like sitting at the beach under the sun heals like 95% of my depression. Guys, I am gonna go to the grocery store right now because pharmacy sent me like a PR package, and they always have the coolest PR packages. This one came with like so many fresh groceries, and so now I just have like a ton of ginger and turmeric, and it's been like a fat minute since I've made ginger and turmeric shots, but I thought it'd be fun to like make some of those. And then I booked a pottery class tonight, which I'm so excited about. I've been trying to do that ever since I moved here, and I finally had time to do it. So this is gonna be really fun. I haven't like spun on a wheel since I was in like 11th grade, my junior year of high school, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm curious to know if I'll like pick up on it really fast because I've done it before, or if it's gonna feel like I'm starting completely new, but we'll see. Okay, haul. I got coconut water and oranges and a lemon for the ginger shots. And then we're out of olive oil, so I got this one. It's time to take the shot now. I'm really scared because like these are really not very good. Oh my god. That was so spicy. That was not good. I think I needed to add way more coconut water. Like that shot was entirely ginger and turmeric. I just like added a ton of more coconut water to it and like it's gonna be fine now. Whew, I would say that's fun, but that like wasn't. Like I just got ready for a little pottery class. I'm taking myself to this ceramics class as a little solo date because I just like spending time with myself. Like I wanted to just like go and enjoy myself and just create and be in my own energy.